Please give it more time.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but it's been well over a year.
What was the cause of the death then?
Becky, stop.
Mom is right. Grandma deserves more time.
We've been expecting this for a while now. This shouldn't come as a shock to you, Bex.
Don't you have to prove that she's actually dead?
We would like to extend our condolences to your family.
We would give it more time if we could. That was a rough day. All those tests.
Piece of cake. Maybe you should study more.
Maybe you should keep your thoughts to yourself.
Yeah, sorry. I'm still sad about Grandma.
Let's go visit Grandma's house.
Haha, very funny.
No, I'm serious.
Really? Do you know how much trouble we could get into if Mom and Dad find out?
We won't tell them.
I don't like keeping secrets.
Fine, I'll go by myself.
Wait up. Mom and Dad would kill me if I let you go alone.
How do you know about the key under the doormat?
Grandma told me.
She told you and not me?
She knew you were a troublemaker.
Thanks, Grandma.
Where are you going?
I'm just exploring.
Grandma never let us in here.
There must be a reason.
Exactly. There must be things we're not supposed to see.
Exactly. There must be things we're not supposed to see. Look at all this stuff. Becky, come on. I know you're curious.
I don't want to snoop.
Whatever. Hey, what is this?
What's what?
It kind of looks like a super small version of the TV remote we have at home.
Just leave it. Let's go. It feels wrong to be here, especially without Grandma.
Hold on a second, will ya? I want to see how it works.
That looks like a power button.
What?
Nothing.
If you say so.
Whoa.
Oh. I told you we'd find something cool.
There's a reason she didn't want us here.
What up, Mahomes? Your clothes don't pass the vibe check. Well, don't just stand there with your mouths hanging out. Series, say something.
You're supposed to be dead.
Nice to see you too, dear.
Where have you been?
Now, let me see. What was the name of that town again? Siri, what was the name of that town I was just in? There's where my iPhone went. Piece of junk.
Gnarly. What in the world is going on? What are you two slobs doing here? You weren't supposed to be back until next week.
My two Gen X grandchildren accidentally opened the time machine portal.
Time machine?
I knew we'd find you here.
You scared me half to death. Mom, what are you doing here? Hey, boomers, what's poppin'?
What on earth are you doing with that strange-looking box?
Oh my, that's so cool.
Girls, there are more important questions we should be asking. Forget the strange-looking device.
No, they have every right to be asking about my iPhone. This device is very important because it's turning people into monsters.
Mom, this is all foolishness. How can you possibly know that?
Oh, trust me, I do. I will be walking on the street and I see youngins dancing to music. They say it's for the TikTok.
It's for a clock? Kids are dancing to a clock?
Heavens no. It's for an app that you can download on your iPhone and many others like Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. No. Facebook.
What? So you've been time traveling for what reason?
The world is a mess because social media has been created and I blame MTV.
What? MTV is the bomb. Like, what else am I supposed to watch when I babysit?
Yes, I love MTV. It's so good.
That's the issue. It's too addictive, and they decided to make other things because of MTV. And the world is a hot mess. So we need to stop MTV.
No.
It's for the best. Now, give me a sec. I gotta make a call.
Wow, I'm surprised you got service in the 80s.
I have my ways. Sometime I'll show you my interdimensional miniature cell tower, but we have business to do.
Wait, hold up. What now?
Are you really something now, Becky?
Shh, girls, come on. Come on, officer, let's get moving.
Please, call me McDuck. This isn't official work just because my son is critically addicted to Snapchat. This isn't official police business.
All right then, Muck Duck, let's go. We have limited time. The MTV studios is vacant. They'll be setting up for an AHA interview in under an hour. As for you all, don't worry your pretty little heads about all of this. Just go home and forget you saw anything.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
It's illegal to burn a functioning studio facility, or any operational building for that matter.
Close enough. We have to stay to MTV.
Girls, get back here.
Run! Run fast!
Dennis!
Sorry, Molly, but what else am I supposed to watch when I'm bored?
Hurry, Grandma's over there.
I'll get her.
What?
Ouch! My head!
Sorry, Edna. That was for your own good.
Brah!
You can't burn down MTV.
Why not?
I never told you this, but it's the only time I get to see my little Ricky asses. Ever since his mom cut me out of her life, I don't get to see him, except on MTV. He never gives me up or lets me up, thanks to MTV.
You can't do this, Mom. I don't want to visit you in prison.
Yo-lo. Yo-lo. Yo-lo.
You're not making any sense, Grandma.
Why are you doing this?
Have you ever watched MTV?
Cable is expensive. Who do you think I am, Bill Gates?
Who?
Never mind, you'll understand soon enough. I'm worried about you. About all of you. In the future, everyone is going to be so attached to their phone, people hardly talk to each other. Everyone is making these stupid videos. Everyone is putting their lives online for everybody to see, but no one's actually living it.
What is online?
Basically like the internet.
Internet?
I can't explain. Just help me destroy MTV, and we can change the world for the better.
Come on, Grandma. I want to show you something.
What's this?
Just watch.
Whoa, that was lit.
Mom, you will not light this building on fire.
No. I mean, never mind. I won't burn down the building.
Does that mean you're going to leave us again for the future?
No, it was terrible there. Plus, I miss all of you. Maybe I'll just go back to being a normal grandma. You know, stockpile toilet paper and supplies in my basement and products. Hand sanitizer. I brought a recipe back with me from the future. We'll make millions. You kids will thank me later when you retire young.